Yan. Ito yung dream ko. Before, nung nasa Pilipinas pa lang ako na, I wish na pupunta ako sa Amerika, pagising ko makakita ako ng snow galing sa bintana. So, ito na nga. Grabing pollution, oh. Oh my God.
And
Tapos
more.
doon, my gosh. Like, seriously?
So I'm not getting any drinks or anything right now.
It's up to you if you like, but like, not me. Punta sana kami dun sa Chinese buffet. Kaya lang, sarado sila pag Sunday. Fairness, I like the color of the clouds. That's not a cloud, right?
Well, I mean, it's
What company is that?
which one?
The one that's...
Straight ahead. That's the power plant.
Oh, it's a power plant. My goodness.
It's a lot
That's
of-
scary. Grabe ang lamig ngayon, guys. Nag-blizzard kahapon. Blizzard meaning bagyo na snow. Ang aming temperature dito ngayon sa Celsius is negative 11 degrees Celsius. Ito yung ayaw ko sa winter. Napakalamig. Pero ang ganda ng mga snow. Kaya lang malamig.
Oh, brother, did they even do this one? Okay, I'm like, what? Man, come on, guys.
The only good thing about winter is ang sledding. But other than that, I hate winter. Tingnan nyo yung roof namin. Puno ng snow.
Not deep enough.
How come you don't slide anymore?
The snow's too fluffy. It's not thick enough. Don't go down to the right now. You don't want to go down that way.
Why? The other? Oh, because it's so fluffy.
That's what I just said. It's not thick enough. It's not heavy enough snow. And now you're just
Now I'm wet. I'm cold.
wet and cold for no reason.
Hindi ako na-slide kasi fluffy yung ano niya.
There's your
Yung snow namin fluffy, meaning hindi siya masyadong ma-compact ba. Kaya hindi ka nasa-slide unless if it's like really steep. Ay, sayang. Puno ng snow. Lamig-lamig. Ooh.
man. I don't know what
Ayan, like. So, ito, i-grout pa natin. And then, dito, grout. Ooh, then finally finish the bathroom. The kitchen. So, all we have to do is just grout them.
That's what I just said. Couldn't you hear me? And I said he had to use some of the older stuff or the newer stuff, even though I've got like
Yeah.
three. So I
Oh
don't
well,
know,
it's okay.
'cause he didn't have any of those.
Right, yeah. Kulang kasi yung mga ukay-ukay ko, kulang. So, bumili kami ng bagong tiles. Tapos, walang exactly the same color. So, tingnan nyo, may pagka-brown yung iba, at saka puti yung iba. Yung brown, matatabunan naman yan ng ating stove. Kaya lang dito, medyo obvious siya na may pagka-iba ng kaunti ng kulay. But, ganun talaga ang life. Wala namang magdadala ng magnifying glass dito. Sabihin na, uy, yung nyo, yung hue ng yung tiles ay hindi tama. Ba. And I love what we can see outside here. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ito yung dream ko na pagpasko. Pagising ko sa umaga ay makikita ko sa labas na may snow. Covered yung ground ng snow. And then, as useless, tingnan nyo. This is the second or the third time na tinanggal ko yung drain. Kasi yung unang hole dyan, sabi ng plumber namin na napakaliit ng hole nyo, dapat ay 4 inches. So yun, pinalakihan namin. Tapos, syempre, tatanggalin mo yung drain. O di, tanggal lahat, halos lahat. So, yan na ang nangyari. Tapos, tinanggal din yung tiles dito kasi ay palpak talaga yung ukay-ukay ko din na glass shower door. Nako, pang bathtub pala yun, hindi pang step-in shower. So, mababa yung height niya. Kaya, hindi siya pwede. So, ginawa namin, sabi ko, di bali na, hindi ko alam na bathtub, pang bathtub yun. So, ginawa ko, tinanggal namin, tapos doon na lang sa ilalim ko gagamitin. Siguro yung ukay-ukay ko dito ko na lang ilagay. And, this one, I don't know kung i-transfer ko yan doon sa half bath. Probably I can transfer that. And then, i-continue ni Dan pag tiles dito. After that, that's it. Pusit. Can't wait to finish everything. Dito pala. Tapos na ito lahat. Oh, hindi pa pala niya na-fasten yung baseboards. So, i-fasten lang yan and then, tapos na. So, kailangan na lang namin i-assemble yung aming bed. Tapos dadalhin yung mga chichiburichi ko dito. Yan. Ito yung dream ko. Before, nung nasa Pilipinas pa lang ako na, I wish na pupunta ako sa Amerika. Pagising ko makakita ako ng snow galing sa bintana. So, ito na nga. So, thank you Lord for that. Kaya lang gusto ko nang umuwi sa Pilipinas. Tulong. Gusto kong umuwi sa atin. But anyway. Look at my ukay-ukay. Those are ukay-ukay. Everything. That one is ukay-ukay. Tapos ito din. Ha, 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 ha. Yan.
But just praying that they would know the Lord personally and just realize the world can't offer what they truly need.
Pray for my sister and her family. Praying that the Lord will give them relief. And praying for less stress and peace of mind. Praying for more love, more of Jesus in their lives.